Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I decided to do something a little different. I have told you guys that we're going to be doing some yard work. We're going to work on the front of the house today. We recently potted up our little planter right there, and today we're going to be laying some new black mulch down along these shrubs and pruning these little tiny bushes down here. I don't even know what they are. Anybody know what these are? I'm not sure. They were here when we moved in. They're not evergreens. I'm not sure what they are, but I just want to clean them up a little bit. There's a little bit of some dried up branches here, so we'll get those cleaned up. That's our owl. He's traveled with us all over Chicago. And we have this side. So I want to kind of shape it a little bit, make it look a little cuter, and just freshen up that mulch. Come on, tell people we're getting started. Let's get started. We're going to be using this black mulch. I just think that it'll be a pretty cool change up from the red here, and it is guaranteed for 12 months, so it'll be good till next spring when we probably freshen it up again. I'm actually using some leftover mulch from the project with the planter that you guys saw, so I might have to get some more. I don't know. Hopefully we have enough. It's a pretty big bag. So we're done with this one, and as I suspected, we needed more mulch. That bag only covered this area, but we have black railings, so I just feel like that compared to that looks so much better. I'll do a quick side-by-side here. With the sun, it's hard to see, but we are going to run to Home Depot, get some more bags, and we will do a final little reveal when we're done. Go ahead. Oh my God. Don't fall over. Oh my God. All right, let me get the other ones, crazy kid.
So we gotta get this mulch out now.
Mulch time.
Yeah.
All right, there's that side. Looks really, really snazzy. I'll insert a before video here so you can see the difference. Hopefully the sun doesn't mess you up. And then this side. Super cute. I like the contrast. I'm really happy with it. I think what we'll do is we'll put a planter here and a planter here with maybe some taller shrubs. I think that'll be cute. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for joining us on this little gardening video. Look at my hands. Oh, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. That's it, guys. Thanks. See you in my next one.